Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm so excited you're here today for this lantern collaboration. This lantern collaboration is #DecorateLantern24. All the channels for this collaboration will be listed below. Make sure you check them all out. I have just gathered up everything I need to decorate my lantern. I'm going to be doing a black and white lantern fall theme. I'm going to be starting from the bottom up with my lantern with these filler balls. I'll put them in the bottom. I'm going to be using some battery operated LED lights, and I'm going to start putting these in the bottom right on top of the little filler, and then I'll just take them and wind them around the pumpkins as I add them into the lantern. Now that I have the filler balls in and I have the lights started, I'm going to start taking my pumpkins and just start filling in the lantern. I want to completely fill this lantern as much as possible with all of these white pumpkins. I'll just start adding them and stacking them right inside the lantern. As I'm stacking the pumpkins in, I'm just going to take the lights and wind them through all of the pumpkins. I have filled the large lantern with white pumpkins, and now I'm going to start adding some little extra decorations all around. I have these beautiful white flowers that remind me of white sunflowers, and I'm just going to tuck these right in, and I'll just start filling in the empty spaces. I'll take this beautiful greenery, and I'm just going to take the two longest pieces and put them together on the ends. Then I'll take another piece and add it in the same direction with all the ends crossing right in the middle. I'm going to take this large pipe cleaner and I'm going to wrap it around nice and tight to hold all of these pieces together. I left a really nice long tail on the pipe cleaner so I can attach this to the very top of the lantern. There's only one thing left to do. Add our bow, and then we'll turn on our lights and see how the lantern looks. If you'd like instructions on how to make a super easy, simple bow like this, I'll have a video come up at the end where you could click on it and watch and find out just how easy it is to make a beautiful bow. Our lantern is all done. Let's take a look and see how we did. Our beautiful pumpkin lantern with the white flowers and white pumpkins, all done in black and white. Here are all of the channels that participated in this lantern collaboration. Be sure to check out the link below to see all of the channels. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed decorating this lantern with me. I hope that you'll subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.